Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray is marketed as a powerful cleaning solution that supposedly dissolves rust instantly and makes old items look new again. But the real question is, are the positive reviews actually legit, or is this another cleaning product benefiting from clever marketing? Now, to be fair, rust removers can genuinely work. Many products contain chemicals that react with iron oxide and help loosen or dissolve rust from metal surfaces. What it does well may remove light to moderate rust. This is the main purpose of the product, and rust-removing sprays can be effective on surface rust. Easy to apply. A spray format makes it convenient to target affected areas without extensive preparation. When a hype falls apart, it will not magically restore severely damaged metal. This is the biggest issue. Heavy corrosion can permanently damage metal, even after the rust is removed. Results depend on the severity of the rust. Light surface rust is much easier to remove than deep, long-term corrosion. Positive reviews may not tell the whole story. Many reviews come from users dealing with minor rust problems, which are naturally easier to fix. So, are the positive reviews for Iron Eraser Rust Remover Spray legit? Short answer: many probably are, especially from users dealing with light or moderate rust. However, that does not mean every customer will see the dramatic results shown in marketing materials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.